YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello, sweet friends. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, click on the little bell, do all the little things, and join me for my YouTube adventures. Because as many of you know, and my oldies and goodies, the ones that have been following me, the ones I love, my besties, my peeps, y'all, thank you so much for following along with me. So we finally got a tree. Ta-da! She's here. Okay. Did you see my last video? I'll have it linked at the very end of this video if you haven't watched it. And I'll try and link it down below also. Now, this is not how I would decorate. This is not what I would be doing if I was in my home. But I'm gonna make the best of it. And I wanted to bring you this video today because I want you to make the best of any situation that you're in. You may be like me. You may be in a transition. I'm in a real weird transition stage right now. We are in a location in Illinois for the moment because of work and certain things that is happening. And we will be moving again, and we have rented this little 1970s townhouse. It's a very not my style, but it is what it is, and I am making the best of it. My little girl is coming for Christmas, and she's coming this week actually. So anyways, before we get into that, the viral Christmas tree with the twinkling lights, it's spectacular. If I was in my permanent location, I'd be buying it. I'm telling you right now, I'd be buying it. If you are in your perfect location and in your forever home, and you know you're gonna have something for many years to come, I would buy that tree. I would totally buy that tree. But we can dupe it. We can dupe that tree for next to nothing. So I got an inexpensive Christmas tree from Walmart. I'm gonna put some things here. I wanna give you some tips and tricks on how to make an inexpensive tree look high-end and designer. And you gotta start, any great design always starts with a great base, okay? So that's what I always say. Any great design starts with a great base. The tree is the base. Okay, let's put it on and I'll show you. Okay, first, before we get into that, I'm gonna roll the clips and give you some tips and ideas, and I'll show you what I did. Hey, love bugs, let me show you the tree. So it's a 7-foot non-lit tree from Walmart. Don't worry, I'll leave all the information linked down below. Do you like my little sweater? I love this. I think it's so cute and so girly. Okay, never mind about the sweater and my leggings. Let's unpack this tree. Now, let me tell you, I'm doing this at night. It is, what is it, Friday night while I did this. And I'm unpacking the tree, and y'all, my goodness. I almost forgot how to put this together. I just realized I hadn't put a tree together for... Oh, wait a second. No, I'm wrong. Last year, we did get a new tree, but I think the base was different. Anyways, I'm going to put the tree here in the corner. I think it'll look nice. I think it'll be nice. Y'all, I cannot stand the separating wall from the kitchen to the living room. But again, this is not my home. I need to relax. You ever feel like that? You ever feel like you want to do so much? Like, it's really hard renting. Okay. Enough about that. Let's talk about trees. Let's talk about trees, inexpensive trees, how to make an inexpensive tree look amazing. And why is an expensive tree, why are trees so different? Well, the expensive trees, like the real good ones, they come fluffed. And they come with hundreds of branches, thousands of branch tips. these inexpensive ones don't. So what you got to do, because they're smushed, like when they in the box, they're completely smushed. You literally have to touch every single branch. Going one way up, one way down, one way side, like make it like fan out like a star. That's the best. The best I can offer you is to make it look like a star. And I'm really taking my time here, and I'm fluffing and zhuzhing and really doing the things while I'm watching a Hallmark movie, and I'm turning this around and around. And literally, you have to touch every single branch. There's no way about it. If you just fluff a bit, the tree will not look as good as it can. You have to do every single branch. Did you see what happened? I put the middle part in the thing first, and now I put the right one in. Okay, here we go. Back to fluffing. I'm just going to fluff away, y'all. I'm telling you, fluff away. But can you see it there? Can you see in detail what I'm doing? I'm going up and down with each piece that is on this tree. Each little piece. I'm going up and down with it because that's the most important part. I'm telling you, once this tree is all fluffed out, it is going to look spectacular. Do you guys love Christmas like I love Christmas? I mean, I really love Christmas. And this is so hard, y'all. This is so hard not having the stuff that I've decorated with. I feel like I'm letting you all down. I really do. I really feel like I'm letting you all down, especially on decor. But y'all, I'm doing my best. I'm trying to give you tips and tricks on things to, occupy your time with. Fluff your trees, go out, get nice bows, buy some new ornaments if you can afford it. But I'm telling you, I just feel like I feel lost. I feel lost with all my stuff. I really do. Oz doesn't get it. He thinks I'm being ridiculous. He's like, well, you have a tree and you have ornaments and you have everything you need. What more do you need? But it's not the same. It's not the same. What a big transition. Oh my God. Life just took on such a turn. Leaving Angela, coming this far up north. I never in a million years thought I'd live in Illinois. But, it's okay. I don't mind Illinois. I really don't. Oh, more fluffing. Finally got both parts on. And look how short I am, y'all. Look how short I am. I don't even reach this little 7-foot tall tree. I mean, okay, 7 feet's a lot. But fluff, more fluff. Stand back, fluff. That's all I can tell you. Just keep fluffing. Okay, lights. Let's do this. First of all, I want to thank the company that sent me this because I'm so grateful to them. They really helped me out on my budget. Really helped me out. That means I can buy more decor, y'all. Okay, they're OLLNY. That's the name of the company. And I'm plugging them in. And I've never used these before. They're LED decor lights. No overheating, it says. Safe to touch. Environmentally friendly material. Bright and glamorous. And they sent me 2 boxes. Love them. Now, here I am trying to figure them out. But I'm trying to figure out the remote control because there's a whole bunch of settings. There's, I think it's over 6 settings. But I'll show you all that in a bit. There's like a flashing, a glitter, a fade, an off and on, a solid. Really nice. Do I recommend them? Yeah, I recommend them. They're new. They're really new. They're not that LED, that cold white light, because I don't like that color. I don't like LED lights that look like that white. I like this, the soft white, the ambient white. I think that makes a Christmas tree look beautiful. Especially now that I've decided I'm going to do red, golds, and greens. Oh, with this color lighting, it's going to look so pretty. Now, I'm unraveling them because... Now, here's my tips, okay? Here's my tips and tricks when it comes to lights. Any light you buy, I want you to do this. If you're going to put it in your tree, okay? Look how cute these are. They're so nice. I'm really impressed. Like you can tell, I'm really, really impressed. Okay. That's me impressed. Okay, I started from the top. I obviously got on the chair and started. I didn't record myself standing on a chair. I have them in all the settings going now, just because I can see what I'm doing. You gotta reach in deep into your tree, like right at the core of the tree. Let's call it that, right? Like the stem, right? Is that what we would call this? The stem of the tree? Yeah, the stem of the tree. Okay, you can see me here now. I'm wrapping them. I'm wrapping the lights on every single branch, going from deep in all the way out. And I'm going to do this the whole tree. And it requires a lot of lights to do this. And it's tedious. But I'm telling you all, if you do this, if you put your lights from deep in your tree all the way out, you will have the best looking lit tree you could possibly have. I mean, the tree alone looks beautiful. Once you get the decor on it, after that, I mean, it's spectacular. But you gotta go deep in. You see what I'm doing here? I'm going deep in. And I'm wrapping every branch, every single branch. So keep doing that and you will have the best looking tree. Now, here's another tip I got for you guys. If you have a tree and it's pre-lit with other lights, you can buy some of these little twinkly lights and add them sporadically in. Like add them throughout, like deep in the core and then on the tips of the branches. That would make a tree, another kind of tree, look so good. It would make it look so good. Oh boy, did this ever take me a long time. I'm telling you, I watched 2 Hallmark movies while doing this. Mind you, I did take my time. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I can't thank you all enough. I really can't. I know that this is a big change for my channel and a big change for me. And a lot of you have just sent me well wishes and all kinds of things. Okay, so this is the tree off. And it has a little remote control for the lights. Love it. And the lights. Oh, y'all, look at this. Look at this. It is so good. It twinkles. It is beautiful. It is a good color. Do I recommend this tree? Yeah. I mean, it's a 7-foot tall cashmere pine tree. It looks very realistic. It's gonna be perfect with ornaments and ribbon and all the things. I think we can do this really, really inexpensively. So I'm gonna take you down and show you the tree. So here's the tree in its entirety, and I love the lights. I love how it looks. It looks great. The branches do go pretty far down. Let me see if I can change it because it's got a whole bunch of settings. All right, that is the tree with the lights. Let me stand back here. With the lights on, just on. So that's the lights just on. And I think it looks really good. And then there's this is the setting I had it on before. Let me show you. Let's see if I can get it to work. Okay, this is one of the settings. I think this is too much. Personally, I think it's too much. Then there's this setting. Let me get it. There's this option also in the lights. It's a fade. I'm not a fan of the fade. I don't like the fade. Then there's an option for combo. I guess it does pretty much everything. Like it twinkles and it flashes and it does the whole, all the things. And there's a slow glow. But I don't like the fact that it turns it off. That's the only thing I don't like. And then there's a wave. That one is not bad. That's not bad, actually, the wave. That one's not bad. I like this setting. This one, where it twinkles. Actually, the in wave is pretty decent. I don't know. I like this one. This one's my favorite one. I just think it twinkles and it looks so pretty. I just think it looks so pretty. But the steady on is always the best. So there it is. There's the tree in its entirety. Okay, my sweet friends, thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope my tips and tricks gave you lots of information, lots of ideas how to, you know, fluff up your tree, make your tree look that much more designer, and make everything look really, really good for the upcoming holiday season. I'm in full-blown Christmas mode. My brain is only in Christmas. Today, I'm running back out because I think, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm pretty sure that I'm just gonna do a traditional Christmas. Reds, greens, golds. And, you know, do I wish I had all my stuff? Yes. Do I wish I was in my home? Yes. Is this difficult? Yes. Thank you. You know, I can't thank you all enough. My goodness, I cannot thank you all enough for sticking by me. I know this is not the usual Bella. Like by now, we would have, you know, had a whole tree done. I would have been decorating galore. There's gonna be decorating. Trust me, we're gonna decorate. I got some stuff for the kitchen. I wasn't even gonna do the kitchen this year, but then I was like, Dollar Tree is doing so well with their decor that I thought, I can do something. I can do something. I can do something. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something. I got a little hallway entrance table. That'll have some decor in it. We'll do that together. You know, just some ideas, some really minimal ideas for Christmas. I want to do some DIYs. So there's going to be some DIYs coming. I got a great DIY. I might film it tonight. Oz is going to go to work tonight, so I might film it tonight and have that up for you this week. Because guess who's coming on Monday? Angela's coming. I'm so excited to see her. Anyways, I can't get into all that right now. Okay, have a wonderful Saturday. I'm gonna put this video up on Saturday, so you'll see it. Do you like my Christmas sweater? Beals, y'all, Beals. Don't sleep on your stores. I'm telling you, I love that store. And I want to take you into Beals this week and show you what I found for the holiday season. Their prices cannot be beat. I'm telling you right now, I think their prices are better than Ross. And that's saying a lot. Because Ross has really good prices, but I think Beals can beat them. I mean, I saw some Christmas blankets in there that were top notch, like Home Goods and better for $12.99. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, I hope you like the tree. Come back and see me. We're going to decorate this tree. I'm going to get some ornaments and ribbon and stuff like that. Now, I know in the years past, a lot of people asked me about my ribbon. So I was thinking maybe doing a ribbon tutorial with different kinds of ribbon to show you what you can do. If you're interested in that, tell me in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys.